haven't been out for like probably 3 weeks now. Oh my gosh. First morning back out. Kind of cold out here today. Just heading out to get ready for the day. Hopefully we have a good turnout today, you know. Hopefully people come out today. Feel good going back out, you know. After such a long break, man. I think from in Christmas or from around Christmas time, I haven't been out. So we say hopefully we have a good turnout today. And let's see. Yeah, so I'm just heading to the truck now to get things ready. Yeah. Are we looking? In the smoke there. Yep. Yep. Carefully, that's yep. Yep, curry goat. This one seems like it's the last one for the evening. Yeah. Right there. Some good curry goat. Right there. Yeah, man. Last one for the evening. Everything done. Curry chicken. That's done. Curry goat. That's done too. Oxtail? Oh, never have oxtail. Yeah, man. Back again tomorrow. Yeah, guys, so that's day one on the food truck, you know. Park up now. Already clean up everything. You know. Straighten up. Coming back tomorrow again. Do it all over again. Tomorrow's gonna be Friday, yeah. And I'm gonna do it again tomorrow. Yeah, so guys, please like my video, please subscribe to my channel, you know. That will help me a lot, you know, help me to grow, you know, and to, you know, produce more content for you and show you how I do things on the food truck, and you know how I cook certain dish, you know. So yeah, please subscribe again, give the video a thumbs up, share the video, and I'll see you again soon. Yeah, man. Respect. Cool.